Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make mail work only when you're connected to any Wi-Fi network on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on the mail. Once you're here, you have this option, the cellular data. If you, from the start, it is on. If you're going to turn this feature on, your box is no longer going to be updated if you are not connected to any Wi-Fi network. Also, you're not going to be able to send messages, just to use mail, as you wouldn't have internet unless you're connected to the Wi-Fi. So from this time, if you switch this to the gray, it is only going to work when you are connected to any Wi-Fi network that has internet connection. So this is it. Once you get, I will show you once again how to get to this setting. So open settings, swipe down, go to the mail and turn off the cellular data to make it gray as it is right now. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.